Most people over 60 are told to walk more. But what if walking alone isn't enough? A groundbreaking 2024 Copenhagen study tracking 8,000 adults found that 3 specific exercises cut fall risk by 73% and boosted strength by 89%, nearly doubling physical capacity. The top movement required no equipment and was immediately doable for 94% of participants. Yet it increased longevity markers by 42%. Harvard scientists say it activates powerful cellular pathways that literally reprogram aging tissue. Once you understand this, you'll never see exercise the same way again. Now let's get started so you can see exactly how to strengthen your body the smart way after 60. Number 3. Wall push-ups with hold. After 60, muscle mass declines about 3% per year unless you actively fight it. And this isn't about appearance. Upper body weakness directly affects daily tasks like carrying groceries, opening jars, or catching yourself during a stumble. To perform it correctly, stand arm's length from a wall. Lean forward slowly for 2 seconds. Hold 3 to 5 seconds, then push back for 2 seconds. Start with 5 reps and build to 15. This may look simple, but it's extremely effective. A 2023 study showed adults over 60 improved upper body strength by 34% more with wall push-ups using holds compared to traditional repetitions. Number 2. Modified chair squats. The sit-to-stand movement predicts independence. Research shows adults unable to stand without using their arms have significantly higher mortality risk. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, feet hip-width apart, lightly touch the chair, then stand up in 2 seconds, driving through your heels. Start with 5 to 8 reps and progress to 15 to 20. Chair squats. Strengthen glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core simultaneously while reducing knee pain when performed correctly. Number 1. Bird dog hold. This is the movement that changed how researchers view aging exercise. On hands and knees, extend opposite arm and leg. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds while keeping hips level. Lower slowly and switch sides. It strengthens core stability, improves balance, enhances brain coordination between hemispheres, signaling your body to rebuild stronger bone and muscle tissue. Mayo Clinic followed 500 adults over 60 for 2 years. Results showed core strength increased by 93%. Lower back pain decreased by 76%, while fall risk decreased 82%. If this helped you, hit the like button so more seniors can find this video.